Okay folks, welcome. We have a 10-minute challenge for you today. The whole video is going to be 10 minutes. We're going to get as many different shots as we can using Sir Click-a-Lot, my budget camera. I forgot to even put my strap on. We have 4 f-mount lenses. Have a seat, finish your makeup. Have a seat there. I'm going to put this up here so I can see the timer as we're going. Now we've got a Christmas tree here. I think we're going to go mostly for Christmas themed shots, starting out with the Helios. Oh gosh, I wish we'd done this earlier in the day. It's so dark already. Cute, look, eyes to me. ISO 500 is not where this camera likes to live. Can I get you to jump into the bedroom? I want to shoot through the doors. Yep, you go in. I'm going to go to my 105E f-mount lens. Don't know if I need this. Lights. Yeah, okay. So for this, I want to shoot you, can you jump on the bed actually? Just take some cute sitting or kneeling poses. Let's get lots of lights in here. I want to have this blurred out in the foreground. Yeah. Is this going to work? Okay. That's weird. Oh, my flash is up. Jesus, I thought, why is it flashing like that? Wow, okay. That's in the challenge. Okay, let's keep moving around. Give us some cute Santa's helper poses. That's great. So posing then holding is great. Shooting through. Look out towards the window, your face. Oh, she's slow. Come closer to the window, like you can put your hands up to the frame like you're outside on a cold day or something. Okay, that's quite cute. Yep, keep moving around. Let's be cute, cute, cute. Yep. Okay. How are we doing for time? 7.5 minutes. A couple more. Turn around. Let's see your side profile. Oh, that's a cheeky Santa's helper. Again. Okay. Now, you're wearing the red swimsuit, right? Take that off, leave the top on. Folks, we've been shooting here for a little while already. We've actually done a boudoir and an art nude shoot as well. If you're not already, check out Patreon. We have full uncut access over there, so you can join us on these kind of shoots behind the scenes, as well as my different courses. And being that this is a ho-ho-ho Christmas themed shoot, you might want to check out Naughty and Nice, the brand new course I released with Steph that's currently up on pre-sale. It's going live at Christmas and there's like 81% off, so you don't want to miss out on that one. She's almost ready, plugs out of the way. Look at you, Santa, so quick, so professional. Come nice and close to the window. Mrs. Claus has been working out for sure. Oh, this camera does not want to shoot through glass. Okay, go into manual. Hold, hold, hold. Nice and still. Just cute, cute, deep in thought poses. You know those, you're looking off to the distance. One hand down. Just really deep in thought. That's it, that's it. That's the signature Cara pose. Looking that way. Hold that. Perfect there, perfect there. Chin up a little. Beautiful, beautiful. I have not checked a single file yet. Hopefully they're looking okay. Not bad. I have 5 minutes and 30 seconds. I think we're doing pretty well. Oh, let's try this. Come on out, Cara. How long, can you change into this really quickly? Yes. Okay, now where can we make that work? Good to have multiple outfits. Maybe in here. So we'll have this be a background element instead of a foreground one. For that, I'll have the light behind her on or off. We'll leave it on for now. Oh my gosh, that was fast. And actually, yeah, let's do that. Jump in the chair. Yeah, hadn't thought of this one, but let's have a look.
Oh, this is a small thing.
Yeah, it's going to be challenging. Yes, very, very fast. Okay, now it's cheating to use the same lens for the whole shoot. So let me go to the 50 Kogaku. Oh, it doesn't need an adapter because this is an F-mount camera. Come on, where are you? Oh, if I fail this because I can't mount a lens, the internet deserves to uprise against me. Shh. How dare you? So that's, oh, not much is the answer.
Stop, stop.
What is going on here? Why is it doing that? I don't know why it's in aperture priority, but it's just wildly overexposing. So I need to go into manual and do this myself. That's a bit better. Okay. Cute. Hold. Can you put both feet up but turn your legs like to the side? Whatever's elegant and cute for you. Yeah, that's good. Don't worry about it. Okay, but I need your face. Don't worry about it moving. We're gonna run out of time. You just don't worry about it. Just keep your cute face, don't worry. Okay, now come out. Let's go around that side near the tree. Oh, it locked. I don't know how long I have. Can you take a look? Come here. No, it's locked. Come sit here.
This is 2.
Okay, just sit on the edge here. Sorry to yell directions at you, but I warned you this might happen. Now, I don't want it too hard, even though that would give us nice lights. Let's see. How are we looking? In full manual, that's fine, but where's that lens? Well, the alarm will go off when it's time, and when the alarm goes off, the video is over. It's down to 158.
158.
Okay. Can you come a bit closer to me? Yeah. Hold there. So this is Christmas. Okay, like that. I'll come in closer. Hold it nice and still. Hold there, don't move. Keep your chin down. Oh, it's a Christmas miracle. How are we? 1 minute and 5 seconds. What else can we do here?
Like close to Christmas.
Oh, I'm not sure about that. I'm kind of running out of ideas. Okay, you do what you want. You wanted to be close to the tree? Go behind the tree.
Go behind the tree. Okay.
No. I just mean in there, and I bring the tree closer to me. 42 seconds.
42 seconds.
Have a Merry Christmas, guys. Check out Patreon. Check out the new course. Check out Kara's social media. Don't be held back by having inexpensive equipment, he says, using a fantastic lens, but you know what I mean. Get out there, get some time with your family over the holidays, take some photos, shoot whatever you find enjoyable. Forget about the social media trends and algorithm and enjoy your photography. And you know what? We have 12 seconds left, so let me not rush to the very end. Thank you, Aaron, for a fantastic year. Thank you, Kara, you're the best.
you.
And to the audience for all your support. 2, 1, love you.